Hello guys and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change the background of an Excel sheet. So you open your Excel sheet or Excel file and you don't want to have this white background. All what you will have to do, you will have to go to page layout, you click and you select background, and here you will have two options. You can either upload or download the pictures from online, but make sure that you are connected, or you can just select work offline if you have a picture or a background uh, um, which you want already saved in your desktop. So for me, I have my option here. I will just select this picture and I will click insert. This will insert the picture in the background. Please note that if you want to do the same uh, or to insert the same picture or the same background, you will have to do it for each Excel sheet on its own. Otherwise, if you want to get rid of it, make sure that you are on page layout, you select delete background and the background will go or disappear. If you want, you can always click save to save your work. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you. If you are still in need of help or assistance, leave us a comment or send us an email with a full description and we will do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us, please press like, share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.